Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Rockerz 450 and pairing it to your phone. This establishes the audio link the assistant needs. Once paired, make sure your phone's voice assistant is enabled and the app has microphone permission so speech passes through. Now press and hold the headset's multifunction button for 2 seconds to invoke the assistant. You'll hear a short tone. Practice once or twice so you can feel the button timing and confirm the assistant recognizes your wake phrase or command. You now focus on control. A long press on the multifunction button sends audio to the assistant, while a short press controls media. Speak naturally and a little slower than normal so the assistant catches keywords. The mic on Rockerz 450 works best 5 to 10 centimeters from your mouth. If commands don't register, make sure notification and microphone permissions are allowed and background audio isn't blocked by battery saver. Once done, test commands like play jazz and what's the weather to confirm reliable responses. To finish, validate the flow by asking 2 short queries and adjusting volume through the headset. This ensures calls and media switch smoothly between assistant and playback. If responses lag or commands fail, update the Rockerz firmware through Boat's app and repair the device so profiles refresh. One key troubleshooting tip: if the assistant won't hear you, check and re-grant mic and notification permissions on your phone. Then reboot both devices. That resolves most permission or Bluetooth profile conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.